Welcome dear students to another part of our class, Standard 10, Chapter 1st, Probability. In part 4, we have looked at exercise 15.1 from question 9, from 1 to 9. Okay, now we will start from question number 10. Question number 10 is, a piggy bank contains 150 paisa coin, 51 rupees coin, 22 rupees coins and 10 5 rupees coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa coin, second one will not be a 5 rupees coin? Firstly, we will count the coins, total number of coins. According to the question, 150 paisa coin, 51 rupees coin, 22 rupees coin and 10 5 rupees coin. So the total of these are 180. Okay, total coins are 180. This is our possible outcome. And first question is, find the probability that getting what 5 paisa coin, getting 50 paisa coin. As we know, what should we do here? Firstly, we will find the favorable outcome by possible outcome. So we have favorable outcome for 50 paisa coin are 100. So write here 100 and the possible outcomes is 180. When you cancel it, you get 5 by 9. 0 will cancel by 0 and divide these by 2. Now we will solve its second. Second is, will not be a 5 rupees coin. So firstly we will find 5 rupees coin, then will not be 5 rupees coin. For that, probability getting 5 rupees coin. How many 5 rupees coins are there? There are 10 and possible outcomes are 80. When you solve it, you get 1 by 18. So now not getting rupees 5 coin. When we solve this, we put here formula 1 minus getting rupees 5 coin. As I teach you in previous videos. So 1 minus probability getting 5 rupees coins is 1 by 18. Then you solve this and you got the answer 17 by 18. So the probability not getting 5 rupees coins is 17 by 18. Okay. Now we will look at question number 13. 13. This is related to a die. So we will firstly read the question. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, numbers lying between 2 and 6, and last one is an odd number. When we throw a die, the possible outcomes are, I write here, possible outcomes. We know very well. 6. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And Find the probability getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. So look at here. How many prime numbers are there? 2, 3 and 5. So number of prime numbers are 3 and the possible outcome is 3. Then solve this. Next one is probability getting numbers lying between 2 and 6. How many numbers are there between 2 and 6? 1, 2 and 3. Between 2 and 6 there are 3 numbers. So write 3 and possible outcomes are 6. So we get 1 by 2. Now next one is, next question is probability getting an odd number. Odd number. Okay, so how many odd numbers are there? 1, 3 and 5. There are 3 odd numbers. So we write 3 and then possible outcomes. And you solve this, you get 1 by 2. Then next question is question number 14. So firstly we will read this. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of heart, a spades, a queen of diamond. First one, how many cards are there? Total number of cards 52. And the probability getting a king of red card, of red color. Okay, so do you know how many kings in a red color card? Look at here. Heart and diamonds, both are red color. And we know very well, in heart one king, and in diamond also one king. So how many kings we have in red cards? We have 2 kings. So favorable outcome are 2 is 2 and the possible outcomes are 52. And when you solve this, you get 1 by 26. 1 by 26. Then next, probability getting a face card. Getting a face card. I told you in previous video how many face cards in a deck of playing cards. How many face cards? 12 face cards. 4 king, 4 queen and 4 jack. Okay, so 12 face cards and total number of cards, possible outcomes. And then you solve it. 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are. Okay, then probability of getting a red face card. A red face card. Red face cards are heart and diamond. 13 and 13. And how many red face cards are there? In heart, king, queen and jack. 3 face card, and in diamond, king, queen and jack. There are also 3. So 3 plus 3, 6 red face cards. And the possible outcome are 52. Okay, is 52. So solve it. possible outcome 52. When we solve this, okay, next one is the jack of heart. Probability getting a jack of heart. We know very well a jack of heart only 1 by 52. How many spades? I told you how many spades? Spades are 13. So 13 by 52. And how many queen of diamond? Getting queen of diamond. Queen of diamonds. So only one queen of diamond. Okay. Now we will solve last question to understand probability very well. Question number 18. And the question is, a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. So the total number of discs are 90. Okay. Find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. If we count 2-digit number between 2-digit number between 1 and 90. Can you count this? I hope you can count. This is 81. So the probability getting 2-digit number, getting a 2-digit number, 81 by 90. Then next one, getting a perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square between 1 and 90. We know 1, 4, then 9, 16, 25, 36, then 49, 64 and 81. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So perfect probability getting perfect square is 9 by 90, 1 by 9. Sorry, 1 by 10. Okay. Then getting a number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and last one 90. So how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the probability getting number divisible by 5 is 18 by 90, 1 by 5. So this is the end of our session today. We shall continue with our subject on next part of our class. Till then, bye bye.